Welcome back. Southern states are bracing now for yet another storm. A week after Cyclone Nivar hit Tamil Nadu, you've got Cyclone Burevi now, which is expected to hit near Pamban in Rameshwaram. The Met Department predicts the landfall will happen by late afternoon. By tonight, the landfall will most definitely happen. The cyclone is expected to impact the Kerala coast and Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari. It's currently around roughly 90 kilometers away from Pamban, hitting Sri Lanka's eastern coast. Now, the latest forecast suggests that Cyclone Burevi may weaken into a deep depression as it enters Kerala. Orange alert is sounded in southern Tamil Nadu as well as Kerala. 5 districts in Tamil Nadu, including Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi, are expected to receive heavy rainfall. Power supply has been cut in Rameshwaram since last night. A red alert has been sounded in 4 districts of Kerala as well. That's Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Pathanamthitta and Alappuzha. 15 NDRF teams have been pressed into service in Tamil Nadu, 4 are in Puducherry and 8 teams in Kerala. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to the chief ministers of Tamil Nadu as well as Kerala, assuring all possible support.
It is very likely to cross South Tamil Nadu coast between Pamban and Kanyakumari during 3rd December night and 4th December early morning as a cyclonic storm, with wind speed of 70 to 80 km per hour gusting to 90 km per hour. And by 5th morning, it is likely to emerge into Arabian Sea as a deep depression. Under its influence, districts from Thiruvananthapuram to Idukki are most likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall, with isolated extremely heavy rainfall accompanied by strong winds.
According to IMD, today's red alert has been issued. So, if extremely heavy rainfall occurs, then there may be the chances of landslide, flood, and the coastal area may be affected. So, there will be need of evacuation. And if landslide occurs or flood occurs, then we are well equipped with DM equipments, so we can respond immediately.
Gopi Krishnan Unithan is joining us live from Thiruvananthapuram. Gopi, the forecast at this point is that the cyclone may weaken into a deep depression, but that still means there will be very, very heavy rainfall in southern Tamil Nadu as well as parts of Kerala. Just give us a sense of the kind of alert the Met Department has put out at this point.
Akshita, the Met Department has given a red alert in 4 of the southern districts of Kerala. So that includes the state capital, Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Pathanamthitta and also Alappuzha. And also there are orange alert which has been sounded in the adjoining areas, including the districts of Idukki. So there are possibilities that there could be extremely heavy rain in these districts. But for the time being, it hasn't rained much in Thiruvananthapuram. Right now I'm at the Shankamugam beach, which is also a small fishing area. And in spite of the warning, we can actually see there are some people who are around in this fishing area, and these are mostly the fishermen. And also, if you just look into the sea, if I can just ask my camera person to show you a little bit into the sea, you can actually see some tiny spots over there. These are actually small fishing trolleys which has ventured into the sea in spite of the warning. So I was just trying to have a word with these people in the morning, and they were telling me that most of these fishing boats are not going beyond the 2-kilometer limit. So 2 kilometers is actually the safe distance which they consider, and if they are within that range, they can be contacted from the people who are in the coastline, and in case of emergency they can easily return back in around some 10 minutes. So this is how the situation looks like in Kerala. Now, talking about Tamil Nadu, most of southern Tamil Nadu is expected to receive extremely heavy rainfall. And this cyclone is expected to make its landfall somewhere between Pamban in Rameshwaram and Kanyakumari. And these areas continue to be on very high alert at the moment. And after the landfall, when the cyclone would further progress or would further move inland, it is expected to weaken. And because it weakens, when it reaches Kerala, it might only be a deep depression is what the IMD is predicting. And that is exactly why we do not really see a heavy rain, which was expected at least 2 days ago.
All right, Gopi, thank you for that update. No rain as of now, but important to remain alert because the Met Department has said that perhaps in the next few hours, there will be very, very heavy rainfall in the districts that have been highlighted, that have been issued a red alert.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.